Is global version Xiaomi Sound Outdoor actually worth your hard-earned money? Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this global version Xiaomi Sound Outdoor changes everything. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the engineering behind it is brilliant, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it makes your daily routine effortless. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it's completely gone. Is global version Xiaomi Sound Outdoor actually worth your hard